Hello. Permit me to introduce myself. I am Tom, the character created as the mascot for the brand, Waves Just Relax. Waves Just Relax has a single focus. That of stress management techniques. The behavioral medical professionals tell us stress is part of life and equally an important part of our lives. The good things about stress are: it increases your motivation, your creativeness, your brain power. It enhances child development and actually improves short-term immunization. Like any good thing, it can also immerse you. It can become like a roundabout, driving in a constant circle that you can't get off of and move your life forward. The fact is that the roundabout used in our example comes into play for many of us during our lifetime. It can pop up in all sorts of situations. Waves Just Relax provides a toolbox of stress relief tools. We label this stress management techniques. Take a note to some of our stress management techniques. Waves Just Relax is focused on ways, methods, tools and techniques to move forward, providing the resources to move out of a life cycle that for many may have begun feeling like living in circles going nowhere. Check out that number over the doorframe. That is the number of websites Google listed about stress in September of 2022. Wow, yes, stress is a worldwide problem. It can pop up anywhere within our daily lives. For many reasons, it can be as simple as walking home from work, a new job, a new school, a new baby. How about no job, no school and, well, wanting a baby and not having one? Gosh, the list can go on and on. The professional stress docs tell us there are a few areas that most of us stress about: health, death of a loved one, money, relationships, moving, school, and work. The question you may be asking: what makes Waves Just Relax different over all the thousands of websites and YouTube channels? Let's start with our mission. It is on managing stress. It is for this reason we state our focus is stress management technology, or the toolbox we often refer to. The behavioral professionals. No, let me state, not only the behavioral scientist, but human history has examples of stress situations. We know from the history of human experiences, stress will be part of our lives. At Waves Just Relax, we honestly don't care what the specific reason was that triggered the stress. Our mission is to provide the tools for everyone to be prepared and know how to deal with stress, plan, put the plan in action, and when things get out of control, have the extra support and resources to turn to. Let me give you an example. A sequence of events to offer a vision to get a better understanding of what I mean. I am going to use for my example a hurricane. We know for a fact, in certain parts of the world, hurricanes are part of people's lives and they need to be aware of how to plan and cope with them. Meteorologist. The weather professionals can predict and map out the path of the hurricane. Do the rest of us need to know how hurricanes form and the atmospheric pressure and climate causal relationships? No. We can depend on the professionals to do the research. Our job is to take the warnings and be prepared. We know from human experience the devastation a hurricane can cause. We also know from human experience that if you build structures with extra resistance, they can outlast the storm. So, our job is to listen to the professionals, heed the warnings, and have a plan of action prepared to take effect, avoiding more damage and allowing us to move our lives forward once the storm passes us by. Knowing the tools you need and having access to them is an individual action plan we must have in place for each of ourselves. When the predicted storm comes upon us and we have prepared for it, we will be better off and able to move our lives forward. In some situations, we can prepare, but the overriding power is too much, and we may need to get out a new set of tools or turn to professionals for assistance. Take a look at this poor bloke on the far right. Just seeing his home for the first time after the storm. Can you imagine what is going through his mind? And envision how much his stress level has just increased. If he had prepared himself for the worst, and the worst arrived, he can now prepare himself for his new challenge. If he had not taken the time to prepare, he may begin suffocating and collapse from the new level of stress that just entered his life. Let's look at Waves Just Relax stress management toolbox once again. On my prior outline, I shared the tools of yoga, meditation, exercise and nutrition to name just a few. Let me point out additional reasons to make waves just relax. The go-to website and YouTube channel for stress management resources. Consider with over a billion websites on stress, there is a reason to link your browser to Waves Just Relax. Included within our toolbox we have a library of resources, books to read or download, educational videos, updated articles from around the globe, and more. One of the most important tools is our unique mood transition films. Let me share with you more about them and how they work. Take just 2 minutes. Put everything else aside and entrench yourself into our unique mood transition films. The Waves Just Relax team films sun rises over the ocean and the sounds of the waves. Focus on the vision of the ocean, waves and sunrise. Couple your experience with the sounds of the waves. This can and will create a mood transition. Take 2 minutes, focus and let it expand to just 4 minutes. Mood transition is a simple mindfulness technique. Step out of a stress situation and take 2 to 4 minutes to allow a calming period. Consider our friend. The dude just seeing his house demolished from the effects of the hurricane. If he sat down, turned his phone onto a Waves Just Relax mood transition film. Use deep breathing exercises. For just 2 to 4 minutes, it can create a new point of balance and calm. Here let me turn on the film, watch this 4-minute introduction, and begin to experience it for yourself. Please take a few minutes. Put your things down and focus on the film. There is a 2-minute introduction about our mood transition films, then a short section permitting you to experience a brief mood transition film. The total film time is just 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Please take the time now and check it out. Remember, just 2 minutes. Add some deep breathing exercises. Oh, and if you need supportive information on breathing exercises, check that out on our website too. But take a moment now and transition yourself to a new mood watching this film.
Let me share with you exactly what are Waves Just Relax mood transition films. First, they are live recordings of the sun rising over the ocean. As live recordings, real events of weather, people, nature, and animals vary, making each film unique. What doesn't change is the vision of the ocean and the action of the waves. The other constant is the rhythm and sounds of the waves breaking on the shoreline. 2/3 of this planet, the place we all call home, is made up of water. Yet of the more than 7+ billion people calling Earth home, most, over 5 billion, don't get to enjoy the calming experience of the sun rising over the ocean, even weekly. The island of Manhattan, known to most as New York City, is surrounded by waters, including the ocean. Yet even there the nearly 2 million people can't experience the vision or sounds of the waves crashing on the shoreline. The rhythm of the waves and vision of the ocean can and will create a calming feeling within. Waves Just Relax recordings are unique in that each day, the sun's rising, nature, and people passing by are different. What is constant is the vision of the ocean and the rhythm and sounds of the waves. Take just 2 minutes and focus, watching one of our films. Turn off all other thoughts, other sounds, any other distractions, and focus on one of our mood transition films. Heck, fast forward to a different section of the film that is more appealing to you, it doesn't matter. What is important is that you take the 2 minutes and focus. Ingrain yourself into the film, allowing your time to expand to 4 minutes. Watch, listen, and focus your thoughts there to what you are experiencing before you. If you focus and surrender to the moment, your mood can and will change. Permit our 3-hour films to play in the background for studying, work, or preparing a meal. The visions and sounds can provide a mood change and calming atmosphere. We often add soothing music to our films by various artists. For many people, this can heighten their calming feeling. If you don't like a song or artist, fast forward the film. Find just 2 minutes that you can permit your mind to focus on the film. Waves Just Relax unique film recordings of the sun rising over the ocean are created as mood transition films. These films offer yet another tool within our stress management toolbox. Remember, change your habits, change your life.
Okay, well, as we wrap this up, I have a little bit of stress myself. What the heck is that bird doing hanging about over my head? Let me quickly wrap up. Remember our blog and channel. Waves Just Relax. The Waves Just Relax staff is consistently adding new materials, resources, and tools to assist providing stress management techniques. Thanks for hanging about. It was great connecting with you. Look for me on the web, on social media sites, and as we expand our resources. I am Tom, the Waves Just Relax character mascot, reminding you, change your habits, change your life.